Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you Anna. Anna is a figure that represents a NCO of the Red Army in World War II and was in Crimea in 1944 as a traffic controller.
Once again the stupid intro of this channel, and I'm not a girl.
Ты любишь меня? Конечно! Какие вопросы? Я расплываюсь, улыбки как дурак, как шоколадка.
Yeah, that's not funny.
I have some figures that represent the Allied forces. These are 4 of them. But the important one now in this video is Anna. So I'm going to talk about Anna. Anna is a 1/6 scale figure from the Dragon brand released in 2003 and has the model number 70283. I got this figure in October 2021 and it cost me €12. But you know what costs nothing and is free? Subscribing and liking my videos has no cost, but it helps me and motivates me to do more. Thank you. Beyond begging for likes and subscriptions, this Anna doll of mine is not complete. Even so, it is an excellent figure. It has good details and I consider it above average. Look at the details. It's a shame that the belt and ammo pouches are made of plastic but looks nice. The side bag is made of fabric and looks great. The boots are also made of plastic or vinyl, but they also look good. This is her weapon. A Mosin Nagant, a 5-shot, bolt-action, internal magazine-fed military rifle. Officially known as the M1891 3-line rifle, also known as the Mosin rifle. It's a typical Dragon brand plastic gun, but it's well built and very detailed. This is the Russian military winter Ushanka hat. It is made of fabric and is very detailed. However, it looks a little too big. Anyway, this is not the original hat that came with the figure. The one that came with the figure is this one. But I prefer to wear the other one. What do you think? More details of the side bag, which I don't know what it was for, and I'll show as much of the underwear as possible because it's hard to take the belt off and put it back on. But you can clearly see what it's like inside the long coat. She has a mini skirt and tights. The body is very good, considering other female figures from the Dragon brand. I noticed that loose button on the collar. I'll have to fix it. These are the images found on the internet that show the box with the entire original set of this figure. Note that I don't have the flags and the canteen. This figure seems to have been inspired by this real girl who is famous to this day. But I'm not sure.
Ну что, снимайте, только уже работу не брошу, буду работать.
Какие танкисты ждут?
Ничего, подождут, война уже кончается. Мимо меня вся Европа едет, вдруг не в ту сторону поверну. Я здесь главная. Ну что вам я могу сказать? В Берлине, в центре. Другой раз так забудешь, не вдумаешься глубоко, посмотришь. Напротив Рейхстаг, а здесь Бранденбургские ворота, которые Геббельс-то камнем, который заложил. Все равно прошли. Ну кто я? Простая деревенская девушка. Училась в школе 10-летки. Потом, когда началась война, ушла уже через всю Украину.